What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Horsepower Enthusiast channel. Today I'm going to be taking the wideband sensor out of the exhaust because this thing decided to eat it at the half mile. We're going to do that. We're going to head to the parts store, get a new one, swap that in, and then I found a scale that we could take this car to a few miles from my house. The curb weight on this car, from what I found online, is about 29.75 with a full tank of gas and the spare tire and full interior and whatnot. So I'm hoping, I don't know, your guess is as good as mine, but hopefully under 2,900 for this car since it's no interior. So I got the sensor out. I would have filmed working on it, but this fan is always running. It's been running the whole time I've been down here, but got the sensor out. Just a gorgeous day outside. Hopefully we can get it running so we can go play around. Just pulling up to O'Reilly's. Let's see if they got a new sensor for me. Got the new sensor, NASCAR performance. Alright, just finished putting the new sensor in. Check engine light is off. I'm gonna go out on the street now and do a few pulls and just watch the AFR to see if it still is going lean on me. If it's still going lean, then it's definitely the injectors that are too small. Getting on the highway now, I'm gonna watch the AFRs and see if it stays good. If not, we'll just idle down and get the car weighed. Any guesses? I'm gonna say 29.75 is curb weight, so I'm gonna I want to say at least maybe 27.50. I'm not sure, but we'll have to figure that out. Pulling onto the scale. All right, we got our weight. Doesn't say out here, but we're headed back inside just to see how much it was. All right, put in your guesses. Does have about a 3/4 tank of gas right now. This is the weight with me in the car. Can't see that. What's it? 2,860 pounds, and I weigh just about 200, give or take a few pounds. So pretty freaking happy with that. 2660 for a weight. Must have taken a lot of weight out of it. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm definitely super excited about that. I was a little worried at first when he said 2860 for the weight, but that was with me in the car, so I had to do the math. 2660 in the Jetta, 35 pounds of booze. We're doing something right, maybe. I'm just super happy about that. Oh my gosh, just ecstatic. I turned the boost controller down a half a turn just to see, because like we don't have the fuel system for the boost right now. I'll turn it down, we'll see what it do. Probably bring it back down to like 32, 31, something like that. But we'll give third gear one more shot right here, then we'll see what happens. That was about 31 pounds of boost, and we stayed about 12.0 that time. So I think I'm thinking just 31 pounds is all this fuel system's got. So, but the good news is I've got the whole thing to do a -6 AN line. We're doing a bigger intake pump, billet rail, bigger intake manifold, big throttle body. It's gonna be sweet. And I have a new set of 1700cc Bosch injectors to put in. I'm gonna get them flow tested here pretty soon, but the ones I have in here right now are 1000 cc's and they're running at 100% duty cycle, so it's maxed. So there you have it. The Jetta weighs 2,660 pounds. Pretty ecstatic with that. I'm sorry for this being a little bit shorter video this time, but I promise soon we're coming with the fuel system. We're going to take it back to the dyno. We're going to see what this thing's actually making for power. If this is your first time stopping in, please subscribe. Have a great day.